game right here.
You! Yeah! Run from the...
And I'm gonna... get one. So, let me go to the area. Wait. There we go, guys. The starting area is right there. Right there. What the noob is that? What the heck, bro? 1, 2, 3, go! And the porter is right here. Got the victor, bro! And everybody is waiting. Running right there. Go to the teleporter! And the other one? Okay, guys. The winner of this first prize for Matty Boss, second prize for
Black Gamer,
and third prize for this guy. Sorry, no fourth and fifth.
Sorry,
guys.
because it's so hard. I just go happy there. Happy.
And let's go to the trading villager.
Here. Yeah.
There we go. Give me the money.
Kayo nag-usap
Where's the other one?
Wala siya. Wala siya. Bakit hindi ko na siya makakita sa ano? Baka binlock niya. Baka ka naman iba-block. Nahulog si Silda. Hindi ka Silda.
They're gonna trade it for.
Oo, ngayon nga.
There we go. Guys, look at this. This chocolate. Yay! Huh?
Why didn't buy some ice?
Water. Matty's gonna buy some water.
Oh, can you give me some ice?
Hey!
And next episode, guys, we're gonna deathmatch,
Yeah.
around this map.
Yeah.
No, not this map. Please not this map.
It's the big village. So big. Yeah.
Village.
I know this is my you know.
Oh man.
What is that again?
guy.
This is my server.
Oh!
And that's awesome. I'm in the new server that is called the Big Village. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bro, peace.